This is E320 Mercedes wagon, and it had a code for the turbine speed sensor code, and also reverse wasn't too good, but I guess we don't have to pay attention to that. Here, as we see, nothing but rust. This is what happens when water gets in the transmission. Now we go down here.
Oh. Yeah, it's a special type of antifreeze.
It's orange stuff. Orange for
Oh, that's it.
This is no good.
Yeah, that's it. It's orange stuff.
This is a 722.6 trans in this Mercedes here. So this is going to need a cooler or radiator, a new radiator or cooler, and a whole transmission.
And he's got,
There is no saving this thing.
yeah, a lot of converters are banging and rattling.
Yep.
Needs all the catalytic.
Yep, catalytic converters.
The front one is there. When it's started, you hear that thing rattling inside.
Yep.
That means the whatchamacallit is messed up.
There it is.
Stuff inside of it, so I can go.
Yeah, the platinum is gone.
This is coming back and it's hard clogging up in the resonator there.
Mm-hmm.
What's getting through there is catching in the mouth.
All right, so you know we got.